Hello friends, today we are going to start a video, but first of all I would like to tell you guys a story. There was a boy who was very good in acting, dancing, singing, everything. So there was going to be a play in his school, and his teachers thought he is a very nice guy, we should select him. So they took him, but on the exact moment he forgot his dialogues. So after that incident, he was never taken in anything. He was kicked out of everywhere. So from this story, we get to know that sometimes in our life we underestimate people. So I think we all should not do that. So now today we are going to talk about HTML's basic structure. So I have already posted a video on this topic, but today it's HTML5 page structure. If you haven't seen this video, then please go and see it. The link is in the description. So it's a very genuine topic. The website you see nowadays are based on HTML5 page structure that is like this. They contain a logo which is called headers. There are tabs which are known as navigators, articles, section, aside, footers and all that. So if you guys must be thinking that do we need to get to know more codes or more tags to make a website like this? So I will answer all these questions in further videos, so you'll still the time stick with me. And one thing that I wanted to tell you guys was that it is not necessary that you use all of these. You need to change some of these elements depending on your requirement. Okay, so now thank you for watching this video guys. My name was KIDWAI, and if you have any doubts then you can contact me at this mail if you want to. So thank you.